Meditation is a powerful practice that allows us to resist distractions and find inner peace. It empowers us to control our senses and emotions, leading to true freedom. Imagine having the ability to change your nature, to not be swayed by external influences. Meditation offers this power. It provides a moment of calm amidst chaos, a glimpse of heaven on earth. This practice helps us gain control over our minds and emotions. Meditation can be achieved in various ways, each suited to different temperaments. The key principle is to gain control over the mind. By doing so, we can experience the true essence of meditation and its benefits. Think of the mind as a lake. Every thought or distraction is like a stone creating waves, disturbing the surface. To see our true selves, we must calm these waves. Only then can we reflect our true nature clearly. The ultimate goal of meditation is to stop the mind from constantly chasing after the senses. By calming the mind, we can focus on our inner selves and connect with the divine presence within us.